Hello everyone and welcome back to Proxy. In this video I'm going to be giving you a broken down overview of Swish tools. So let's go ahead and begin today's video. Before we go ahead and begin today's video, I highly recommend you drop a like and subscribe on today's video, and also go ahead and check out the recent overview regarding this software link down below in the YouTube description. So we're going to go ahead and begin on the settings page and make our way through the bot. So on the settings page you're going to see general settings, account warmer settings and account resetter settings. So let's begin on this side. For general settings, you can go ahead and enter your Discord webhook for webhook based notifications. You can test it, you can set your browser limit, you can go ahead and enter the Chrome path and your extension path as well. Then on the account warmer settings, you can go ahead and select the default region, so go ahead and select that accordingly, and then you can go ahead and select the shoe size as well, or you can choose random if you wish. And then for account resetter settings, you go ahead and enter your catch-all email and your catch-all password. So all these settings will be used for a variety of things within the bot, and once you're done, hit the save settings button to ensure your settings have been saved. And then it's also worth mentioning at the top you will see their website, support, and you can buy Nike accounts as well. Moving over to Spoof Browser, this is what it looks like. I already have a task from before. Let's go ahead and delete it, and that's how the delete process works, but I'll go ahead and break everything down. So we have the setup information. We can select a proxy list, which I don't have loaded at the moment, and then you can go ahead and enter URL for the spoof browser, and then you can go ahead and enter the number of spoof browsers you want to go ahead and make. So let's say I want to make 3. Let me quickly go ahead and grab a URL here. Let's say for example I want to put in the YouTube URL. I'll go ahead and do that. I click create tasks, and as you guys can see, it gets created. I can go ahead and start my tasks, stop my tasks, and also delete my tasks. Moving on to account filler, this is what the account filler section looks like. We have profile information, so let's actually go ahead and create a profile. Before we go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and import profiles if you wish, and you can select the profile list. I'll go ahead and demonstrate that shortly, but let's actually create a profile here. The profile list name is going to be called video profile for distinguishing purposes, and then we have the shipping details, billing details, and payment details. If you want the billing and shipping to be the same, if you hit this, it will go ahead and duplicate it, and then we can go ahead and enter our payment details and create the profile. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is fill out this information and cut back before I go ahead and create the profile. So as you guys can see, I've gone ahead and entered some test-based information in the profile information window. I'm going to hit create a profile, and as you guys can see, the profile has been made. We can go ahead and select the profile. It shows the first name and last name, and it says that's the profile, and then obviously it shows it again, the last 4 digits of the card number and the expiry. We can delete it and edit it if we wish. We can also search through the profile list if we go ahead and create multiple profiles. Then on this side, you can go ahead and select a proxy list. If you have one, you can select a profile list. We've created one, so we'd select video profile, and then you can go ahead and enter the Nike account to be filled. You can start your task, stop your task, and delete all. And once you start, it shows the live information. So let's say you have a ton of Nike accounts going through, it'll show the live information in regards to that. And you can also copy the filled accounts and delete the filled accounts as well. Moving on to the account warmer, this is where you can go ahead and warm up your accounts. For setup information, you select a proxy list, you select a mode. So let's say for example I click mode 1, and then you select a cookie pop-up, so I'm going to put on true, and then you go ahead and enter the Nike accounts to be warmed. I should also mention it's in the formation email password, so if that's some useful information to you, then obviously go ahead and use that, and you can see it being demonstrated here as well. You can start your tasks, stop your tasks, and delete all, and then once again you can go ahead and copy your warmed accounts and delete your warmed accounts, and it shows some statistics regarding this page over here. Moving on to account resetter, once again a very similar process. You select the proxy list, you select the mode, and then you go ahead and enter the delay in milliseconds and the new passwords. You enter the clip Nike accounts here, you start your task, you can stop it, and you can delete all, and then it shows you reset Nike accounts here based on the password you've entered, and obviously it incorporates the delay. Then you can delete the reset account and copy the new account, and some statistics regarding that will be shown here. And just to show you what this process actually looks like, let's say for example my email was john@gmail.com. I'd do that, then I'd do colon and put the password in obviously, and this would be my clipped Nike account. So let's say my password is john123, that would be a clipped Nike account, and I can go ahead and enter the new passwords to be used with these accounts, and then the reset account would appear here. Then on the proxy section, this way you can go ahead and create proxy lists that have been referenced in multiple pages within the bot. Let's add a proxy list. We're going to call this proxy list video proxy list, and hit the OK button, and that will go ahead and save the name. Then within the proxy list, you can see the total proxies been loaded. There's 0 at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and enter one. I've loaded it out, but you can clearly see it's there and the counter has gone up. You go ahead and enter one proxy per line, hit the save button, and that will go ahead and save the proxy list. Now that can be used with multiple pages within the bot, so obviously you can use it for your needs. Moving on to our dashboard page, there's a variety of things here, so let's break down this section. You can see the account successfully resetted, the account successfully warmed, the account's currently resetting, and the account's currently warming. As you guys can see, it is 0 on everything, and you can go ahead and filter that from past 24 hours and all time. Obviously this is some useful information in regards to your activity within the bot, so if you wish to go ahead and use it, then you can. Then on the right side you can see some information regarding your license, so it shows the days remaining. Obviously I have none because of the fact that I have a lifetime key. Then it shows the key X'd out. I can go ahead and copy it if I wish, I can display the key, I can deactivate the key, and I can also go ahead and join their Discord server. That is going to go ahead and conclude this broken down overview of Swish tools. I highly recommend you go ahead and check them out. You can check out our recent overview link down below. I'm going to catch you guys next time. Peace out.